Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the app and device so fixes take effect. First, update Messenger to the latest version. Outdated builds cause emoji mismatches. Once done, backup chats or enable cloud backup to avoid data loss and restart your phone to clear transient issues. On Android, clear the app cache. On iPhone, force close Messenger, then reopen it. These steps remove temporary corruption and ensure the app can re-download emoji resources properly. So start here before deeper fix. Now you'll perform the middle, more detailed steps. Uninstall Messenger, reboot the device, and reinstall from the official App Store to force fresh resource files. Once installed, reset emoji behavior by toggling your system emoji keyboard off and on, or briefly switch to a different keyboard app then switch back. This forces the OS to reload emoji glyphs. Next, log out of your Messenger account and log back in to refresh synchronized assets. These actions rebuild both app and system emoji caches. Finish by confirming the fix and having a contingency. Send and receive several different emojis to verify visuals are correct on your device and your recipient's device, because rendering depends on both ends. If problems persist, update your operating system or, on Android, install the official emoji font package if available. This replaces missing glyphs. Finally, if none of these steps work, take screenshots, collect app logs if possible, and report the bug to Messenger support so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.